In today's video, we'll delve into an incident involving U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE. We'll explore the key facts surrounding this detainment case, consider the legal and personal implications, and emphasize the important rights every individual has when facing such situations. Here's what we will cover in this video. We'll start by outlining the incident itself, then move on to discussing the individual's legal status, what due process entails, the importance of expired documents, the right to legal counsel, and finally, the deportation process. The initial event occurred when an individual was detained by ICE while taking out the trash at his home. His wife states that she hasn't seen him since and believes he is now held at a detention center. The individual involved is a Cuban national and his wife is a U.S. citizen. They both have been living in the United States for over a decade. While his wife had managed to regularize her immigration status, the individual hadn't fully completed his legal formalities. They have been in the process of obtaining citizenship for him. This flowchart illustrates the essential steps involved in ensuring due process for immigrants detained by ICE. Starting from detainment, individuals must be informed of the reasons for their detainment and granted the right to legal representation, which are critical components of due process. The detained individual was asked to update his documents according to a list of requirements provided to him. This process included reviewing a previous traffic ticket from the year 2017. What right does an immigrant have, even if not a U.S. citizen, during the deportation process? Your options are right to vote, right to an attorney, right to free transit, right to a bail bond. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is right to an attorney. Even though deportation is not a criminal charge, the individual has the right to legal representation during the proceedings. In deportation proceedings, it's important to note that they are not classified as criminal charges. Thus, the government is not required to provide legal representation. However, immigrants do retain the right to seek and be represented by an attorney during these legal processes. To conclude, this situation brings forward the intricate nature of ICE detainments. Understanding one's legal status, ensuring due process rights are upheld, keeping documents updated, and being aware of one's rights during deportation are vital elements to consider. Thank you for joining us in this important discussion. We hope you found it insightful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more content on similar issues.